Good morning. Today's next topic of chapter number 1, that is a phase shift keying, that is PSK in short form. In the PSK, that is a phase shift keying, the phase of the carrier is varied to respect to two or more different signal elements. Both peak amplitude and frequency remain constant at the phase changes. Clear? म्हणजे काय, फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि तुमचं अँप्लिट्यूड हे दोन्ही कॉन्स्टंट असतात, पण फेज हा सारखा चेंज होत असतो, व्हेरी होत असतो. जेव्हा ही कंडिशन असते की फेज चेंज होतोय, अँप्लिट्यूड आणि तुमची फ्रिक्वेन्सी कॉन्स्टंट असते, तेव्हा फेज शिफ्ट कीइंग ही टेक्नॉलॉजी वापरली जाते, दॅट इज PSK. त्याच्यामध्ये जी बायनरी फेज शिफ्ट केइंग जी आहे, बायनरी शिफ्ट केइंग म्हणजे काय, इट इज द सिम्पलेस्ट PSK इन बायनरी PSK in which we have only two signals element, one with the phase of 0 degree angle and other is with a phase angle of 180 degree, that is 0 degree and 180 degree. In this situation we use simplest PSK. In diagram we show the amplitudes versus baud rate, that is the waveform of 5 signal elements 1 0 1 1 0, that bit rate is 5. In binary phase shift keying, it is a simple as binary ASK, that is amplitude shift keying, with one big advantages. It is a less susceptible to noise. Means what? Minimum noise is added in this PSK. Why? Due to the phase angle changes, 0 degree to 180 degree, two different phase. In ASK, the criterion for big detection is the amplitude of the signal, but in PSK it is the phase. Noise can change the amplitude easier than it can change the phase. In other words, we can say phase shift keying PSK is less susceptible to noise than ASK. PSK is superior to FSK because we do not need two carrier signals. Okay, the two big advantages of FSK. First advantage is what? In PSK, due to the angle superiority 0 and 180 degree, the unwanted noise addition is very rare as compared to the amplitude shift keying. And second advantages of PSK is it is superior to FSK because in FSK two carrier signals are required, whereas in a PSK only one carrier signal is required. The bandwidth of PSK, that is phase shift keying, is calculated very simply, that is B is equal to bracket 1 plus D bracket close into S. The implementation of PSK is shown in a diagram, that for the bit rate and bit for 10110, here implement of BPSK diagram is shown, that digital data is given to the multiplier. Here oscillator is used. What is the main function of oscillator? Oscillator generates the carrier. That carrier and your digital signal is added by the multiplier. Multiplier add these two, carrier and digital signal, and send the analog signal over the medium. This is the main difference between the ASK, FSK and PSK. So always maximum time phase shift keying is used. Why? Because of, already I told you, because of two different factors. In FSK two signal frequency is used, whereas in PSK only one signal frequency is used. Second advantage is what? In FSK due to the angle utilization, in PSK angle utilization, unwanted noise will not be added. So that is a main superiority for the PSK.